Africans are immigrants, not foreigners, because the original meaning of foreigners means someone from abroad. You know, one thing I hate about English is that it wants the speaker to use his brain. And I don't like English because I don't have time to use my brain. Immigrants or migrants, that's a noun. That means the movement or the act of moving from one place to another or one country to another country. It's a noun. So that is called immigrants or to migrate. And that also applies to mammals and birds, like your flamingos and other species. And foreigners is a verb. As you migrate from one place to another, you then become a foreigner because you don't originate from the place, from the land that you'll have migrated to. So we need also to look at nouns and verbs, because that's where the sugar in the honey is. Shall I continue? Yeah, I so hate English. Angizwani nento efuna ngisebenzise ingqondo yami, like ifuna ngifukuze engqondweni, ngifukuze sengiyokhuluma ngama noun and verbs, synonyms, yonke leyo nto leyo. But igama ukuze sil understand, umele understand ukuthi leli gama liyi noun okanye leli gama liyi verb. So understanding those little things makes you a better person. Angithandi English, man. Ayizwani namavila, and on my side I am the biggest evila. These two words, migrate, migrants, are noun. And you may find ukuthi kwamina wrong nje ngoba ngisebenzisanga ingqondo yami. Migrate and migrants, the meaning is the same. Kodwa konke lokho is noun. Yeah, noun. Noun. So anyone that migrated is a foreigner. Yeah, anyone. Once you migrate, you are a foreigner. You can be a foreigner in your own country, according to the meaning of the word. If you move to a land which is not your land of origin, you can qualify as a foreigner. But what about this word? What is it with this word? Foreigner. Is it an insult for one to be a foreigner? I'm going somewhere as I'm driving. I don't belong there. If somebody can say to me,